Strategies on how to make money in the stock market. All the advice here, from the simplest tip to the most complicated, has been written with you in mind. Our goal is to help you make the most profit possible, with the least amount of risk. All of these tips should assist you in building a strong strategy, which will do just that. Investing is best done with an eye to the long term. There are very few people who will succeed at moving money in and out of investment vehicles, if they try to catch day-to-day trends. Most people just end up losing their money and getting frustrated. Look for solid companies or funds with a long history of good returns and stay the course. Many people who invest in stocks make the mistake of relying too strongly on past performance when deciding which stocks to purchase. While prior performance is a very good indicator of how a stock will perform in the future, you should make certain to investigate what the future plans of the company are. It is important to consider how they plan to increase revenue and profits, along with what they plan to do to overcome the challenges that they currently face. Remember that your portfolio does not have to be perfect overnight. Ideally, you are aiming for only about 15 to 20 stocks, spread across 7 or more sectors or industries. However, if you are unable to do all this from the start, choose something safe in a growing sector that you know first. As you get yields to reinvest, you can expand your portfolio across the suggested spectrum. Consider investing in index mutual funds. These funds buy and hold the stocks of the companies that comprise one of the major stock indices. These funds allow you the chance to capitalize on the returns of the overall stock market, without excessive fees or sector risk. These funds also require very little maintenance or attention. Don't let your emotions play a part in your investments. Remember that this is a business and you are in this to make money. You can't let yourself make bad decisions that are solely based on your emotions. Learn to separate your emotions from your decision making so that you can have a clear mind. Keep an eye on market trends in a bear market. It is approximated that 75% of stocks follow occurring trends. Your ability to recognize and act on trends as soon as they happen can be the key to a measurable success. Contrarily, your failure to accurately spot trends can result in large losses. Think long-term profit. If you want to get a return that is well over the rate of inflation, stocks are your best choice. Even with the ups and downs in the market, an average stock tends to return about 10% per year. If you are saving for a long-term goal, such as retirement, stocks will garner you a larger profit than traditional savings. Hopefully, you've understood everything written here and can assimilate these tips into your current investing strategy. Whether you're just starting out or just want to do better, these tips should enhance your current ideas and lead you down the road to success. Whatever your goals are, continue to reach for the stars. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega whining trader, Barthélemy MC.